Miss Lee's Minions. Once, there was a teacher named Miss Lee. She worked very hard and became very tired. One night, she went to bed frazzled and weary, and a wonderful idea came to her in her dreams. The next morning, she was so excited. She woke up early and hurried to the forest behind her school. She knew that was where she could find minions to help her with her busy schedule. At first, it worked wonderfully having all those extra hands. But the minions were often naughty. One day, she couldn't take it anymore, so she decided to catch them all. And one by one, she locked them up in her hair until there were none left. Again, she became very tired. She went to bed that night more frazzled and weary than ever before. I'm more frazzled and weary than ever before. But she could not rest. She had a dream that all of her students had disappeared. The next day, she went to school as always. Her students didn't line up to come in. She could hear the minions in her hair yelling at her. It wasn't shaping up to be a very good day. They weren't in the Duchesne room. The minions got louder. They weren't in the library. The minions got louder still. Finally, she went to the classroom, worried and confused. I'm worried and confused. It was quiet there, and she thought she heard the voice of one of her students. It was coming from her hair. So she pulled it out.
It's me, Maya. Miss Lee, why did you trap us all in your hair?
Miss Lee couldn't believe it. She took them all out, and they turned back into children. They all apologized for their bad behavior, and so did Miss Lee. Hooray! And then Miss Lee woke up. The end?